Angangsa, aikoy mamangdasu general knowledge ki maramda mayam ama tamkhre ko. Ado ngasidi Manipur gi maramda khara khangbreng minasi ko. Dudi haurasi ko. Number 1 da what is the geographical area of Manipur? Masina hanglisa koi Manipur gi geographical area do hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 22,327 square kilometer. Number 2 da what is the altitude of Imphal? Masina hangli basa Imphal gi altitude adu kayano hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 786 meter above sea level. Number 3 da what is the latitude of Imphal? Masida hairisa Imphal gi latitude adu kayano hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 25 degrees north. Number 4 da what is the approximate area covered by the hills of Manipur? Masida hairisa Manipur da chingna ko liba area asi kayamuk no hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 9/10 of whole area of Manipur. Saruk tara thokpagi mapaldi chinggi lamna koli hairini ko. Number 5 ta what is the state emblem of Manipur? Masina hanglisa aikoi Manipur gi state emblem adu karino hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Kanglasa. Kanglasa na ikoi gi state emblem oi ko. Number 6 ta what is the state animal of Manipur? Masida hairisa aikoi Manipur gi state animal adu karino hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Salai. Salai se aikoi Manipur gi state animal ni ko. Number 7 da what is the state bird of Manipur? Masina hanglisa aikoi Manipur gi state bird adu karino hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Nongin. Nongin ni ko. Nongin se aikoi gi Manipur gi state bird oi bani ko. Number 8 ta what is the state flower of Manipur? Masida hanglisa khoi Manipur gi state flower adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is Siroi lily. Siroi lily se aikoi Manipur gi state flower ni ko. Number 9 da what is the state tree of Manipur? Masida hairisa khoi Manipur gi state tree adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is Uningthau. Uningthau se aikoi Manipur gi state tree oi bani ko. Number 10 da what is the state game of Manipur? Masida hanglisa aikoi Manipur gi state game adu karino hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Sagol Kangjay. Sagol Kangjay se aikoi Manipur gi state game ni ko. Number 11 da. What is the state fish of Manipur? Masina hairi se aikoi Manipur gi state fish adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is Pengba. Pengba hairiba nga se aikoi Manipur gi state fish ni ko. Number 12 da. What type of climate does Manipur have? Masida hangli se aikoi Manipur se karamba makhal gi climate oibage hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is subtropical monsoon type. Number 13 da. What is the minimum mean temperature of Manipur? Masina hari se aikoi Manipur gi minimum temperature adu kaya no hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is 0.1 degrees Celsius. Number 14 da. What is the maximum mean temperature of Manipur? Masida hari se Manipur gi maximum temperature adu kaya no hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is 40 degrees Celsius. Number 15 da. What is the average annual rainfall of Manipur? Masida hangli se Manipur gi chahi gi oiba average rainfall asi kaya oi hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is 1467.5 millimeter. Number 16 da. What is the biggest source of state income in Manipur? Masina hangli se Manipur gi senmidlon gi khwaidagi chawba source adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is agriculture. Haibadi agriculture na Manipur gi khwaidagi chawba income source amani ko. 17 da. What is the most important natural resource of Manipur? Masina hangli se Manipur gi oina khwaidagi maru oiba natural resource adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is forest resource. Haibadi ne forest ina aikoi Manipur gi khwaidagi maru oiba resource ni ko. 18 da. What is the largest source of livelihood in Manipur? Masina hangli se Manipur gi khwaidagi chawba sendan lanbi adu karino hangli ni ko. Your time starts. The answer is agriculture. Haibadi lau singu bana aikoi Manipur gi oinadi khwaidagi chawba sendan lanbi oi ko. Number 19 da. What is the highest rainfall area of Manipur? Masida hangli se Manipur da nong chubagi chang khwaidai wangba mafam adu karino hangli bani ko. Your time starts. The answer is high hills area of Tamenglong. Masina hairi se Tamelonggi awang baching leiba mafamsingda oi hairiniko. 20 da what is the lowest rainfall area of Manipur? Masin hanglibase Manipurda nung tabagi chang khwaidagi nema mafam adu hanglibaniko. Your time starts. The answer is Churchandpur. Masin hairise Churchandpur na khwaidagi nung chubagi chang nemi na hairiniko. Number 21 da what is the largest agricultural product of Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurgi khwaidagi yamna puthokpa agriculture product adu karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is rice. Rice haibadi cheng do. Cheng na aikoi Manipurgi oina khwaidagi largest agriculture product oiko. Number 22 da what is the largest fruit product of Manipur? Manipurgi oina khwaidagi yamna puthokpa uhai adu karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is pineapple. Pineapple haibadi kihom do. Kihom na ne aikoi Manipurgi oina khwaidagi yamna puthokpa uhai niko. 23 da what is the largest mineral product of Manipur? Masin hanglise aikoi Manipurgi oina khwaidagi yamna puthokpa mineral product adu karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is limestone. 24 da which district produces the largest quantity of orange in Manipur? Manipurda komla khwaidagi yamna puthokpa district adu karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is Tamelong district. Manipurgi oina komla khwaidagi yamna puthokpa district se Tamelong district na oiko. 25 ta which district produces the largest quantity of pineapple in Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurda kihom khwaidagi yamna puthokpa district ado karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is Churchandpur district. Kihom se Manipurgi oinadi Churchandpur district na khwaidagi yamna puthoiko. 26 ta name the district which has the largest forest area in Manipur. Masin hanglise Manipurda forest area khwaidagi chauna leiba district ado maming hayu hairiniko. Your time starts. The answer is Churchandpur district. 27 da what is the longest river in Manipur? Masin hanglise Manipurda khwaidagi sangba torel adu karino hangliniko. Your time starts. The answer is the Imphal River. Imphal River na aikoi Manipurgi oinadi khwaidai sangba torel niko. 28 ta what is the biggest river in Manipur? Masida hairibase Manipurgi oina khwaidagi chawba turel adu karambano hanglibaniko. Your time starts. The answer is the Barak River. Barak River haribase asina akhoi Manipur gi oina khwaidagi chawba turel ni ko. 29 da name the highest peak of Manipur. Masida harise Manipur gi oina khwaidagi wangba peak adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Mount Tenipu. Mount Tenipu se aikoina iso hairaga su khangnei ko. 30 da what is the total area of the hills of Manipur? Masina hanglibase Manipur da chingna koliba total area adu kayano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 92% of total area. 92% di aikogi Manipur se ching ngakta oi ko. 31 da what is the biggest lake of Manipur? Masina hanglise Manipur da khwaidagi chawba lake adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Loktak Lake. Loktak se Manipur gi oina khwaidagi chawba lake ni ko. 32 da what is the second largest lake of Manipur? Masina hanglise Manipur gi second largest lake adu karambano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Pumlen Lake. Pumlen Lake se Manipur gi second largest lake oiribani ko. 33 da name the only floating national park in the world. Masina hairise akhoi male masigi oina amata ngairaba floating national park adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Kaibulamjao National Park. 34 da who discovered Juko Lily? Masin hanglise Juko Lily se kanan ihan hana thengna kibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Dr. Bikramjit Singh. Dr. Bikramjit Singh na Juko Lily se han boy na thengna ki hairi ko. 35 da who was the first chief minister of Manipur? Masina hanglibase Manipur gi ahamba chief minister adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Mairembam Koireng Singh. 36 da who was the first governor of Manipur? Masina hanglibase Manipur gi oina ahanba governor oikhiba mi adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is BK Nehru. 37 da what is the traditional martial art of Manipur? Masina hanglibase Manipur gi traditional martial art adu karino hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Thang Ta. 38 who was known as the Lion of Manipur? Lion of Manipur hairaga kanabu khangnai hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Bir Tikrendrajit Singh. 39 da. What is the indigenous script which is used for writing the Meitei language of Manipur? Masina hanglibase Meitei lon bu ibada karamba Manipur gi indigenous script sijanabage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Meitei Mayek. 40 da. Who is the present Chief Minister of Manipur? Masida hairise Manipur gi hauji oiriba Chief Minister adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is N. Biren Singh. 40 da. Who was the first Union Minister of Manipur? Masina hairise Manipur gi ahanba Union Minister adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Rajkumar Jaychandra Singh. Rajkumar Jaychandra Singh se Manipur gi ahanba Union Minister oiki ko. 42 da. Who was the first Olympian of Manipur? Masida hairise Manipur gi ahanba Olympian adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Pangembam Nilakomal Singh. 43 da. Who is known as the Queen of Boxing? Masina hanglibase Queen of Boxing hairaga kanabu khangnabage hanglini ko. Your time starts. The answer is MC Mary Kom. Mary Kom boy koina Queen of Boxing hairaga khangnai hairini ko. 44 da. Who had written and published the highest number of books among the Manipuri female writers? Masina hanglibase Manipur gi nupi writer singi lakta khwaidagi lairik masing yamna hongkhiba adu kanano hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Khaidem Pramodini Devi. 45 da. Name the 7 yek Salai of Manipur. Masina hanglise Manipur gi yek Salai taret ki maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is number 1 da. Mangang. 2 da. Luwang. 3 da. Kuman. 4 da. Angom. 5 da. Moirang. 6 da. Khangamba. 7 da. Salang Laisang Them. 46 da. When was the Manipur University established? Masina hanglibase Manipur University se karamba matamda likhatkibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 5th June of 1980. 47 da. When was the Manipur State Museum established? Masina hanglibase Manipur State Museum se karamba matamda linkhatkibage hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is 23rd September 1969. 48. Which book is considered to be the first to be published in Manipur? Masina hanglibase karamba lairik pu Manipur gi ihan hana pongkiba lairik no hanglibani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Manipur Itihas. 49. Which place is known as the Jewel of India? Masina hanglibase Jewel of India hairaga karamba lambu khangnabage hairini ko. Your time starts. The answer is Manipur. Manipur se Jewel of India hairaga khangnai ko. 50. Name a famous folk dance of Manipur. Masin hanglibase Manipur gi maming lairaba folk dance adugi maming hayu haribani ko. Your time starts. The answer is Khamba Thobi dance. Angang sai khoi ngasi Manipur gi oiba general knowledge mayam ama khangmina khre ko aduna ngasi gidi matang sai da lusilas.